for it? Are the numbers going?
Yeah.
Thank you, camera person. What do you think of this towel?
I think we should keep it.
It does absorb a lot of water for being thinner. ACHY Dad, the older father blogger in the Bat Cave. It ain't looking pretty down here. I got green screens and foam and oil tanks, but I gotta get this towel review out. We got sent this towel from MP Magic. There's also a Kickstarter I'll show. And we have been reviewing it for months. God, 6 months? 5 months? It's a waffle towel. I'll show a close-up. The string goes in circles, and I'll have a close-up. Don't you worry, camera assistant person. My helper. My daughter's my helper. This is a regular towel. The first thing I noticed is this is heavier, and this feels a lot different. This has vertical loops like most towels. This feels smoother. And at first it doesn't feel quite like a hefty towel, but it dries just as well. And my takeaway, to make a long story short, after using it for months, is that I like these more in my bathroom, but I would take this traveling. This folds up much smaller than a regular towel, but feels like it dries just as well, and it dries on a rack faster than this towel. Now, it's also supposedly made with really good cotton, and I have to say, after months and months...
It's been 2 minutes.
Oh. I have to say, after months and months, it has held up fine. It has held up great. Threads have not come loose. So for me, watch that camera helper and watch those fingers. For me, it is a great travel towel and a fine bathroom towel. So I really thank the company for sending it to me, and sorry it took so long to do the review, but it turned out to be a great long-term review, and we're going to keep it and use it in the bathroom and if we ever travel again. All right, stay dry out there.